Top 5 major expenses you'll face in your lifetime. Prepare and save. When planning for the future, it's crucial to anticipate major financial milestones that could significantly impact your savings and budget. Understanding these major expenses can help you prepare and make informed decisions. Here, we explore the top 5 biggest bills a person will likely face in their lifetime. 1. Home purchase. For most people, buying a home is the largest single expense they will encounter. This significant investment includes the down payment, closing costs, mortgage payments, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintenance costs. To mitigate these costs, consider buying a home within your means, shop for competitive mortgage rates, and budget for maintenance. 2. Education. The cost of education is another substantial expense, particularly higher education. This includes tuition, books, fees, and living expenses. To manage education expenses, look into scholarships, grants, and work-study programs, and consider community colleges or in-state universities to reduce costs. 3. Raising children. Raising a child from birth to adulthood is a significant financial commitment. Costs include healthcare, education, childcare, and daily living expenses. Planning for these expenses can involve creating a dedicated savings account, taking advantage of tax-advantaged accounts for education, and budgeting carefully to accommodate growing needs. 4. Healthcare costs. As people age, healthcare expenses tend to increase. This includes insurance premiums, out-of-pocket expenses, and long-term care. Investing in health savings accounts, HSAs, considering long-term care insurance, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle can help manage these costs. 5. Retirement. Saving for retirement is essential to ensure financial security in later years. This includes contributions to retirement accounts, Social Security, and other investments. To ensure a comfortable retirement, start saving early, maximize employer matches, diversify investments, and consider consulting a financial advisor. Anticipating and preparing for these significant expenses helps ensure financial stability and avoid debt. Make informed decisions, plan ahead, prioritize saving, budget carefully, and seek professional advice to secure your financial future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and share it with anyone who might need this advice. See you next time.